Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jim, your 352 Realtor. I'm here to show you a really good house tour on this Whispering Pine 2007 with a golf cart garage. I think you're really gonna like it. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's under 400 grand in the newer midsection part of the Villages. Again, I think you're gonna love it. It is on a corner lot. Let me show you. Come on in. As we come up the driveway, it is painted concrete here. Again, 2-car garage with the golf cart garage. I'll show you that garage here real soon. Again, nicely landscaped into an entryway. Let's go inside. As we head inside, nice entryway, tile flooring, nice neutral paint. Archway with chandelier right into a entryway, living room. Let's start with the bonus room, or what I'll consider the 3rd bedroom. As we enter into this double door, this one's not being used for the bedroom, but it can be. So this is sort of a bonus room, if you will, office, sitting area. No closet here in this bedroom. Let's go to this 2nd bedroom. As we go into the 2nd bedroom, has carpet on the floor, knockdown ceiling, ceiling fan. This is on the front of the house, just like that other bonus room was. Again, plenty of closet space, 2 huge bifold doors here, which both of these spaces share this bathroom, tile, natural lighting. Wood. Pantry closet. Let's go to the living room. As we enter the living room, Whispering Pine model with a wall separating the living room and the kitchen. Let's continue into the kitchen. From the living room is a couple ways on either side of the wall. Nice big spacious kitchen, beautiful color cabinets, high ceilings, recessed lighting, granite countertops, stainless steel, plantation shutters. Into a kitchen nook. Again, plantation shutters look wonderful here. Nice chandelier. Looking back into the kitchen. Great space. Let's go into the primary master bedroom. Enter into the primary. It's a little dark here. Hopefully it's not too dark for the camera. Ceiling fan, carpet on the floor, just a huge wide open space. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. Into a walk-in closet. To right, closet organizers. You walk right into your primary bath, double sink, Formica countertops, super high ceilings, nice walk-in shower. Closets here by your door. Let's go see that beautiful lanai. Heading into the lanai. It's glassed in, you make sure. Oh, it's plexiglass with screens. So they'll open, get air ventilation. Painted floors, almost looks like epoxy. Nice private. Both trees and shrubbery to give you some privacy. Outdoor patio. You can have a grill there. Really nice. And let's go to the utility garage next. From the kitchen, just behind the kitchen is your utility room. So beautiful cabinets that is all consistent throughout the home. Your washer and dryer, utility sink, natural lighting here. An open space here. And let's go into the garage. Excellent. So if I pan left, just entering the garage, you'll have your utility closet. HVAC was done in 2017. The roof was done in 2014. And absolutely the water tank is brand new, 2025. So just some storage here, but you could envision your golf cart being here. Gives you the full access of 2-car garages here, which is fantastic. Here's your pull down stairs. There's your electrical box. Can't really get to it to see how much space, but I assume you're gonna have some space with your irrigation here. Again, really great space. Water shut off. Let's go to a wrap-up video. Hey gang, let's wrap this property up. Appreciate you showing you today. I'm at 2700 Daffodil Court. I'm in Sumter County. I'm in between the sixes, as we know it. So I'm close to Lake Sumter. I'm close to Brownwood. Really, either way, you can get to both squares very easily. This is a pretty amazing property. This is under $400,000. They're asking at $380,000 for a Whispering Pine. It's about just under 1,600 square feet with not just a 2-car garage, but with a golf cart garage as well. This was built in 2007. So it is, from a Village's standpoint, it is still fairly new to all those systems. Again, let's do a rundown for you. The HVAC was done in 2017, the roof was done in 2014, and the hot water tank was done in 2025. So a really great property, well maintained. It is on a corner lot. That makes it a little unique here too. So you get a nice corner with a few trees giving you some just beautiful landscaping, but also some shade as well. Well, I hope you liked this video. I really enjoyed you follow me around the home to show you this beautiful property. If you're interested in this property or any other property, please reach out to me. You can reach me on my email. My email is your352realtor@gmail.com, or you can just pick up, call, or text. Same number, 352-492-1699. Again, I hope you enjoyed our time together. My name is Jim. I am your 352 Realtor. Can't wait to show you the next one.